Hi guys, I'm Juan here at Up with the Sun, where I bring you lifestyle and fandom realness. Today I wanted to go ahead and share with you something really fun, which are some villains Funko Pops that I was able to pick up from Hot Topic. Plus, towards the end of the video, I'm definitely going to share something a little special that excuse me, that goes in theme. Oh my gosh, why am I losing my voice? Again, I am still recovering from being sick, so I do apologize, but that is what happens when the weather drastically changes and you know it's just that time of year now. It's getting colder now, and so hopefully that this will pass. I'll be fine. I'll be good. Anyway, let's go ahead and get into it. So the first pop I have here is Hades with Pain and Panic, a Hot Topic exclusive. This is part of the Villains Assemble line. So sorry for the glare. I don't know why it's doing that, but you can see Hades there and Pain and Panic on the stand. You can see the exclusive sticker here. I'm going to take it out of the box. There is So I was trying to see if there was like any like locking mechanism that puts them together, but it looks like they're just going to be independent, and it's going to be up to you how you display them, which is cool because it gives you options. But yeah, so this is Hades again with Pain and Panic. Oh my gosh. Yeah, look at that. Panic is saluting. Reporting for duty, sir. We are worms. I love Hercules. This is one of my favorite films. I liked it before anyone else liked it, so just kidding. I'm not gatekeeping here, but yeah, definitely love having this in my collection. There's so many different Hades Funko Pops available, and they were Funko Pops of these two are like a 2-pack. Super expensive. There's no way I was going to be able to get it, so this was a wonderful way of getting all 3 characters, even though I still want the Diamond Edition of him, because I do have Diamond Edition villain pops. So yeah, love, love, love. Prepare yourselves. Be prepared. Yes, this is Scar with the hyenas, another Hot Topic exclusive. Let me show you the back. It's a better picture. So, as you can see, I have the first 2 in the lineup. Already with Hades and Scar. So, this is what I was saying that was a little weird. This is being advertised as a pop moment. This is being advertised on the box as a pop deluxe. So that's kind of strange. How they, even though they're part of like the same wave, like it's a set of pops, they're just distincting them from what kind of pop you're getting. So let's take it out. It's beautiful. This is so cool. This is so freaking cool. He has his paw on his chest because he's belting it out. He'll be the new king. Oh my gosh. You can literally just look at this, and like the song is playing in your head like right away. This is so great. So their heads do move a little bit. They're a little articulated. I was unfortunately not able to get the 3-pack of the hyenas when it came out a couple of years ago now. Still might consider getting it, but when you have this in its entirety, you really don't need more. I mean, you can always use more, but this in itself, oh my gosh, look at Ed's tongue. Oh my gosh, they look so vicious. Oh my gosh, Hey, Whoopi. But oh my gosh, look at Scar. He is just a boss up there. Oh my gosh. Of course, there's a lot of Scar pops as well. I'm so glad they redid the mold. He looks so much better now. Um, they did come out with those boxes a long time ago, those Hot Top boxes, where they had Scar and the plume of the smoke, and they looked so great. And they had a chase where it was red smoke when the ground is splitting open to create this lighting. Um, just so good. And I was like, oh, I should have gotten those when I could. However, this makes up for it, and I kind of feel bad for collectors who are just like, oh, I got this one and it's so cool, they can never top it, and then something like this comes out and you're just like, okay. But I am obsessed. I love it. I'm so happy to have it in my collection, and just look at them. Like, this is so cool. I'm so happy they did this. Again, these don't have a locking mechanism where like they're supposed to, you know, fit as a puzzle. They can actually be displayed separately in any order that you want, which I think is great, because you do see like those sets that they come together and they interlock with each other to form a scene or whatnot. But I guess because of how iconic these villains are on their own, they are not going to be tied to any other villain. You can display them as you see fit, and I love that. But again, I am an inbox collector, so they will be safely tucked in a box until I will take them out and display them in a space that I find suitable. But this is awesome. I'm so excited for this line. So now for that third surprise, I want to share it with you, and it's this Oogie Boogie. Oh, sorry. So sorry. I already shared this Oogie Boogie. I'll actually link that video up so you can see when I got this beautiful Diamond Edition Oogie Boogie. However, this is not the right one. Sorry, I meant this Oogie Boogie. This is the, as you can see here, Funko Shop exclusive Blacklight Oogie Boogie 10-inch Jumbo Pop. And I am so excited that I was able to grab this, because it's not available on Funko anymore. This came and it went, and I was one of the lucky ones to pick it up when I did. And it's so great. The box is a little like slimmed out from it, but it's just so cool. And I will take it out. I love this blacklight effect. I think the blacklight line pops, even though people are saying it's played out, that it's doing too much, I don't care. I think they're so beautiful to look at, and I just love like these extra details. And I love the hatching of like the burlap sack that they did for him, and his little stitches. Like the texture of this pop is so great. His little face is so great because he's adorable. We love Oogie Boogie. We stand Oogie Boogie. I love his dice. That shocking green. I mean, can you tell I'm a fan? So nice. Oh, so hope you all had a really fun, safe Halloween, and that your teeth aren't too rotted out from all the candy or the sweets, or if you're an adult, all those alcoholic sweets that you're enjoying over the weekend. I am no exception, okay? Sue me, I'm in my 30s. I'm going to enjoy myself. It's a different kind of Halloween now. So again, I hope you all are safe. So continue to stay safe. Tell someone that you love them, because tomorrow's never promised. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye.